Check this out. It is literally covered in bird poop. It is so windy out too. We've got it all over the car. Disgusting. We got to get that off ASAP because it's not good for the paint. We're getting it washed by Aaron. He's a young entrepreneur. He recently started up a car wash business. He DM'd me on Instagram. This is going to be my second time getting my car washed by him, so I'll link his Instagram down below. But yeah, let's go get the car cleaned up. You guys, the car is really clean, looks really good. It's actually a couple days after getting it washed because when I got it washed, it actually snowed in Denver. So I really wasn't able to do anything with the car, but yeah, she still looks clean even though it snowed, but I'm definitely glad we got that bird crap off of it. But today we're actually taking my M4 to a car show. It has been so long since I've done this. I used to go to car shows all the time. I'm super excited to head out. I know there's gonna be a couple of other BMWs there and a couple of people I know are gonna be there today. So yeah, we're gonna take the M4 out and yeah, just have some fun with her because I haven't taken my M4 out to any shows at all recently. And yeah, we can't be doing that. We gotta take the car out and enjoy it. All right guys, well I just pulled up. We got a pretty big meet today. I've got this Audi R8 that I'm parked next to. That thing's super clean. But yeah, we're just gonna head on out and see what's going on. Ask me?
I saw the crash on the YouTube, bro.
You saw? Okay, so yeah, the car was sitting on a curb, but that was like 8 months ago, so yeah.
I saw it recently, I don't know.
That's hilarious that you saw that. Yeah, that was a crazy story, but no, nothing was damaged on it.
You got lucky,
yeah, I got super lucky. The skid plate is super strong on this car, but yeah, dude, I'd be devastated if anything happened to it from that.
Bro, sounds nice, bro.
Oh, appreciate it. Thank you, man. All right, guys, got like all the dust off the car. I'm about to go walk around and check out what else is going on here. But yeah, for being December, it's really nice. I like overdressed in my jacket. But yeah, it feels good to bring the car back out. There's the man.
What's
Dude,
good,
long
bro?
time no
How
see.
You get taller or something? What the hell?
Do I look taller?
Hell yeah, what the?
I don't. There's no way I'm still growing, dude. I'm almost 22. I think I stopped. What's up, dude?
What up, bro? Look who else it is. Mr. Mike himself.
Oh, you
got
pulling out your
famous
phone,
and forgot
dude.
about me. Look
Camera
at that.
reception.
Look at that. This guy.
All right, hey, come here. Show me what you did to this thing. Because it's changed since the last time it was on the channel.
Really just welds.
You put the meats on the car.
Had to, dude. Now
Dude.
second gear, it goes.
Now you have no excuses with traction.
No excuse at all. Until it gets turned up, then I'm gonna be
Dude, Welch
back in the
just,
same boat.
Welch just looks so good on Supras.
But look at the fitment, dude. This
I know.
is like made specifically for this, which is sick.
Dude,
Yeah, it's
that honestly
it's
feels like my
spicy.
fitment.
It's spicy. Thank God I don't have those.
It probably
Like,
just
sharp
rubs on
liners.
bumps.
They're rounded. That's a BMW in it.
Yeah, dude, it looks really good. Now we gotta bump up the power.
Yeah.
'cause this thing's ready to hook.
Hiding them.
All right, guys, we got Jorge right here. He actually bought an M4 recently. How long ago? Like almost a year ago now?
Yeah, back in May, a little bit.
Back in May. That's crazy. Jorge and I have followed each other on Instagram for a while now, but yeah, how's she treating you?
I think the best car I've ever owned for sure.
Yeah, dude, they really are great cars. Guys, he actually bought my old exhaust tips. These are the ones I used to have in my car, and they look really good. You got rid of the chrome ones, dude.
Yeah,
the chrome exhaust tips just look so bad.
Ugly. Yeah, it's ugly.
For real. Yeah, dude, she's looking good. The red guts look really good. White on red. What are your plans for it?
Next season, I'm going custom single turbo kit.
Oh, you're doing single turbo too? Dude, it's trending right now.
Yeah.
Brian's, I rode in Brian's single turbo F80. Off the charts, man. It's a crazy
I've been wanting to
setup.
go single turbo for
And it sounds so good.
It sounds really good.
Yeah, guys, look at these red seats. Looks so freaking good. Yeah, it's always fun to come across other M4 owners in the same neighborhood. So, sweet, man. It's coming along nicely.
Appreciate it.
All right, guys, we got my friend Armando's M5. This thing is super clean. I think his recent mod was these wheels, which is like awesome on it. But yeah, he's added all the carbon fiber goodies on it. This thing looks sweet. He actually has an F80 M3 as well, so he's got garage goals. He's got the M and the M3. We got some cars starting up and leaving, and some American Muscle pulling in as well. We got this wide body GTR. This thing's crazy. We actually have a couple wide body GTRs in Colorado. I don't think I've seen this one before. But man, these things are just wild with the wide body kit on them. And these wings. Definitely a crazy looking car. But in Colorado, guys, we have a lot of like slammed trucks. So we just had a ton of them roll in. It's not my crowd, but yeah, they're definitely super popular here in Denver. Yeah, the M4 is getting a lot of compliments today. A lot of people love the forged carbon fiber on it, so super happy that I went ahead and put forged on it because it really does stand out from just a lot of other builds, because most people just do the regular weaved carbon.
I see my school all the time, bro. I'm telling you. All I do at school is just walk around during lunch, just look for cars. Every day.
What campus?
CU Denver.
CU Denver. Dude, there is a lot of crazy cars on that campus.
All the Arab kids there, M5, F90 M5, X5M.
But what's his name? The Quiche was the red F80?
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
he's on that campus
the roll
too.
case, that shit's nuts.
Yeah. No, this thing's definitely making power.
He's in 5151.
Yeah, single turbo N54s are wild. All right, guys. So our homie right here, he just got in a hit and run on his clean E90. That is such a bummer, man. He's got the fender and the bumper and everything. No. The wheel is really chipped up.
Hit a car from the front, pushed it into a car in the front.
Dude, so this guy just hit you and your car got damaged on like every part of it.
This side got tossed into like the parking meter.
So what happened to the other two cars that your car hit into?
I have no idea. They weren't even there.
So is insurance being lenient with you since it was a hit and run?
Insurance didn't believe me.
Of course they don't. It's never easy.
Bro, I was like, I thought they were gonna wreck the car too, so I was kind of like iffy if I was gonna do it, because you know, with the E90s has like,
yeah,
they're all just built. It's like a unibody frame to those. So if they like do that, they're gonna wreck it out for sure.
Yeah, just total it and everything.
Yeah.
That sucks, guys. He's just telling me he's on upgraded turbos, E85 and everything, making like 680. So it always sucks when your car gets, you know, damaged by somebody else and there's really nothing you can do about it.
Nothing I can do.
Denver.
Yeah, it's Denver. We got
Texas
some
and Cali.
we got some out-of-towners roaming our city and banging up all of our cars.
For real, it's terrible.
Oh, such a bummer, man. Well, best of luck with that, dude. It always sucks to see that.
Thank you, brother.
All right, guys, we've got Abdu right here. He's just telling me that he's been flipping BMWs recently. How old are you?
19.
He's 19 years old and he's flipping BMWs. So he just flipped an E90 recently.
F54.
Yeah, made some profit off of it. And then explain what you just picked up and what your plans are for the F30.
I got an F30, 2014. I got the 8-speed. And right now it's at stage 1, E20. I'm trying to get it to full E85, stage 2. I want to get upgraded turbo. and yeah, just fully build it out. Try to flip this one as well for an M5, M3.
Yeah, absolutely. So he's already got his bumper ordered. He just got a new headlight for it. He's getting a windshield soon. Just getting all the cosmetic stuff out of the way.
I already got the rims.
Yeah, he's got new wheels on it.
New bumper for the back. I'm getting the new taillights.
Okay. So yeah, that's crazy, man. For you being 19 years old, man, and already on your second BMW to flip, that's crazy.
Oh my God. Listen, you want to know how the trick? Learn it yourself, do it yourself. You break something, do it your own, don't take to no one. Like, yeah, sure, like learn from people. And I think the biggest reference is Carter on 5X, right? If you don't know how to do it, don't try to do it on your own. You're gonna break it. Then 54, ask my oil pan about that. So,
oh man, good point right there, man. Dude, someone as myself, I want to get into this, so we'll definitely have to talk more about this so I can learn it. As we just had like 20 people pull up on this truck, all sitting in the bed. I think the truck community is about to take over this whole car show. More and more keep pulling in.
I was about to say 100%.
Yeah, I think we're about to see a couple hundred trucks in this parking lot within the next 10 minutes because it's never ending. But yeah, literally 20 people just pulled up in that thing. Now they're all getting out, so.
That was crazy.
Yeah, I know. I just like saw them on the corner of my eye. Got the cops watching us in the background. They're definitely going to follow us wherever we go. So we'll see how this whole meet plays out. Pretty sure anything that they do next is just going to get shut down. Got this clean R8 that we just parked next to. Oh, it's on bags. We just lifted it up. One day I want to have one of these. Gated 6-speed manual. That thing is awesome. Sounds so good. Yeah, looks like everybody's heading out, so I don't know where they're going. I kind of missed on that part. All right, guys, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just gonna follow everybody. Looks like we're gonna be behind the wide body GTR, so I really don't know what's going on, but we might all get on the highway and we'll see if anything crazy happens. All right, we are getting on the highway soon. I have like no gas in my car, so I'm not too prepared for this. So we'll see how far we can go with these guys, but this GTR just looks so sick in front of me. It's so wide and just aggressive. Got the Audi R8 coming up behind us. See how this thing sounds when it passes us. Wow, sounds so good. Looks like we're cruising with the big boys, the GTR and Audi R8. Listen to those downshifts. Single pops out in the M4. I don't know what these guys are doing, but they all... Guys, my pops are so loud on this thing. It sounds crazy. It sounds like actual gunshots. All right, I think we're at a second spot right now, but there's this like dangerous speed bump that we're all trying to go over, so let's hope I don't scrape. And we made it. We didn't scrape on the speed bump. I don't need my front lip to be any more damaged. This parking lot literally has speed bumps every 10 feet. Like, it's covered in them. They obviously don't want anybody speeding through here. But there's so many scrape marks, so I've definitely seen some people hit their cars on it. So we're gonna avoid that. And this guy will get the scrape for us if it happens. And we survived the speed bump. So I actually think I'm just gonna head back home because this second spot just, yeah, it's a little small and there's not really too many people here. So I don't know. It was fun to take my M4 out today though, because yeah, we've been getting a little bit of snow in Denver, so it's nice to be able to bring it out when we're having a sunny day. But yeah, if anything else happens, I'll film it today. But yeah, I'm gonna start heading home. Well, all right, guys, decided to just come back home and yeah, we'll end the video here. You know, taking this car out is just so much fun because you know, it has such a strong fan base, and it's just fun to, like, you know, see other people appreciate the car, and it's just fun to, you know, take it out and drive it. You know, this car just never disappoints. So yeah, you know, just really like driving this car and having as much fun as I can with it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.